root of sine 2x. So we could realize that the previous, we cannot do it by previous method. So we are trying to do by this. I told you why you cannot do it. So this is the, I got two parts. So why we could not do the previous method? I hope everyone, this is not integrable. This is not integrable for that reason. Anyway, coming back to the point. So I'll do the first one separately and the second one separately. It looks difficult, but it will come very easily. Within 2 to 3 steps, it will come. So I'll write the steps directly so that it becomes easy. So I'm doing the first one. If you write 1 plus cos 2x, that is 2 cos square x, and sine 2x as 2 sine x into cos x. I repeat, here root sine x is there, here 2 cos square x is there, isn't it? This part will be how much? 2 cos square x, isn't it? And this part will become 2 root 2 sine x into cos x. If you split it, first root 2 sine x, so root sine x will get cancelled. 2 by root 2 is root 2, which I'm taking it outside with a big bracket. Root sine x get cancelled, and here 2 cos square x will come, and cos x will become how much? Cos square x divided by cos x will be cos x into root of cos x dx. Correct. Fine. Is it okay? In the previous one, we got it as root sine x into 2 sine square x, something like that. So we got, you know, sine x by root cos x. This was the previous one we got it. Preferably this looks integrable, like compared to this one, but there is a trick into it. Right? Again, I'm doing the first part only where I put underline plus, can you make out again root cos x, root of cos x get cancelled, and this becomes 2 sine square x. So again 2 by root 2 will come common. So here I took root 2 common, small I wrote it. And here it will be integration of sine x into root sine x dx. I hope everyone agrees, isn't it? And understood also. Okay. So this is the first integration. I split in two parts. So again, I'll apply integration by parts. If both are trigonometric, we need to prefer the function which is integrable is the second function. The function which is integrable is the second function. The other will be the first function. So I'm writing root 2 okay, into, this is the first function and this is the first and this is the second function. So root cos x is the first function. Integration of cos x is nothing but sin x minus a big integration. Now differentiation of root cos x will be 2 into root cos x, okay, into minus sin x, okay, and already the integration of sin x is there, dx, okay, plus root sin x, again we'll write the second term I'm integrating. Integration of sin x is how much? Minus cos x minus I integration. Differentiation of will be root x is 1 by 2 root x. So root sin x will be 1 by 2 times of root sin x. And function of function will be, this is cos x. Okay. Okay. So you get, and this is minus cos x. Okay. So now if you check out, it will be root, whichever the terms we were simplified, I'll put it one side, that is cos x into sin x minus cos x into root of sin x. This was easily integrable. And here minus of minus will be plus. Correct. Am I right? Here minus of minus will be plus, and here also minus of minus will be plus. So we get, okay, this is one part, 1 by root 2. I hope is correct. This is tough to integrate. Sine square by root of cos x plus integration of cos square x by root of sine x dx. Okay. All of you, I suggest do it on your own. If you need help, you can see it. First do it, then you'll enjoy the solution. All of you, please do it. Please do it. The first term. If you have done it, reply with yes. If not, I'll wait for a couple of minutes, 2 minutes. Everyone? Oh, fine. So this is the first thing we got it. I'm taking time because obviously if you do on your own, you'll do faster. And as I'm explaining, so obviously, so this is the first term. Still, if you see in the previous time when we were doing, correct, we got this kind of integration, am I right? And I told that it's not integrable. Okay, if you recall the previous one, fine, because the first part was integrable, and the second part, what happened? The partial stuff was integrable, and the second part was not integrable. So we need to stop it here. But in this case, you will get a relief. You see how. So this all about, we did it the first part. Now, what is the second part? Second part is, I'll just move it little bit to write it so that this is the second part. Okay. So I'm writing. It is, I think you got it. You have already written. So I'm going to write. I'll split it and write it. Okay. So, oh, if I put here. So second part is 2 into, okay, I'm splitting it. It will be sine x into cos 2x and the denominator is root of sine 2x, obviously dx, minus, okay, the 2 let it be outside. So I put an integration. Root cos x, okay, into cos 2x divided by root of, sorry, root of sine x, sorry, sine 2x into dx. Okay. Okay. So what happens in that? 2 times of, okay, here root sin x get cancelled. It will be, and root 2 get cancelled. So here root 2 will come. Here 2 sin x cos x will come. So this 2 by root 2 will get, and root sin x get cancelled. So you get cos 2x by root of cos x. Yeah. Minus integration of, again, root cos x get cancelled, and that root 2 got cancelled, which I took it out. It will be cos 2x divided by root of sin x dx. It's fine. Now, if you apply integration by parts again, root 2, and no need to say anything, this is second function and this is first function. Same goes here, second function, and this is, because it's easily integrable and differentiable. So 1 by root cos x, okay, into cos 2x, integration is nothing but sin 2x by 2, okay, minus, now differentiation of this. Basically, this is what? Cos x to the power minus half. Cos x to the power minus half. So it will come minus half, a big integration, I should tell first. Minus half, differentiation of this, minus half cos x to the power minus 3 by 2 into minus sin x, okay, and whatever is written, sin 2x by 2, okay, and dx. Fine. So I'll write the second term and then simplify it and see what happens. Okay. Second term, I'll start from here. It is minus because minus is there. I'll put a bracket here also. I'll put a bracket. Okay, I put a bracket over here at the end. Okay. Here I put a bracket. Then comes 1 by root sin x into sin 2x by 2 minus an integration. Again minus half sin x to the power minus 3 by 2 into cos x into sin 2x by 2 into dx. So these are the two terms. Okay, you note down. If you do u into v, it will easily come. I'm moving this one. So now I'll just simplify it. Okay. Root 2 was outside. Okay. The first term, if you see, it was okay. It was sin 2x by 2 into 1 by root cos x. So if I if I write 2 sine x cos x, shall I write directly 2 sine x cos x? Okay, so 2 get cancelled. It will come sine x into root cos x. Okay, fine. I did this part, this part. Okay, and for the second part, okay, can I write again 2 sine x into cos x? This part, can I write 2 sine x into cos x? 2 sine x into cos x, 2 get cancelled and 1 root sine x will get cancelled. So it will come how much? Minus cos x into root sine x. Okay, why minus came? Because here minus was there. Is it okay? Now I'm going to write 2 integration which we could not solve it. So check out here. Okay, at the end if you see again sine 2x is there. So this 2 sine x cos x and 2 get cancelled. Only one, this 2 will remain. Fine. I can help whoever is not able to join in some time. Just in between, how do I? So 2 sin x cos x. Can you see the WhatsApp message and please help them? So 2 sin x cos x. So 2 get cancelled. Can you do the calculation? So this minus of minus will be plus, isn't it? Okay, shall I write it? It will be minus of a big integration. Okay, sine 1. Sine square x by root cos x will come. And obviously dx. Okay, I repeat. This one sine will come and will become sine square, and one cos and cos to the power minus 3 will become minus 1. So root cos x. Now coming back to the second part, if you check out, again cos and cos will become cos square, cos and cos will become cos square, one sine will get cancelled and root of sine x will come in the denominator. So it will become root of cos square x by root of sine x into dx. Okay. Okay. And I forgot to write, and 1 by 2 also will be out. Okay. So I hope you got the answer. This is the second part. What was the first part? Root 2 times of sin x into root cos x minus cos x into root sin x. Okay. Okay. Plus 1 by root 2 into sin square x by root cos x plus cos square x by root of sin x dx. Correct. So this and this will get cancelled. So these two clubs together and get got. I hope all of you got the answer. So what? Okay, fine. Do it.
Good, sir.
I'll move to next problem. What was the second problem? I forgot what was the second problem was that. Oh yeah, I got it. AC चला ले ये आवाज आएगा क्या
फोन हमको दे दे तो तुमको फोन कर सकते हैं फोन
अरे
का
हम
काम है
पढ़ा नहीं पा रहे हैं इसको ले
अरे वो नहीं है, वो फोन करो वो काम
काम
है
फैन चला दो अरे यार हमको So I'm going to discuss the second one. So you need to find the range of the function fx. It's given sin x minus 1 whole divided by root of 3 minus 2 sin x minus 2 cos. Okay. Can anyone reply? Any idea how to solve this? A very good problem this is. If you directly differentiate to find out the range or something, or even trigonometric, because denominator is a root, it's a complicated one. So with numerator, it won't get simplified. So there is a beautiful way to do it, the geometric way. If I'll solve it, so that it may help you whenever you face a new problem to get, you will get an idea. So the first I'm writing, okay, is can I write? All of you look at it. I'm writing the denominator. Okay. Here it's minus 2 sin x. Okay. So minus 2 sin x, and here minus 2 cos x. Okay. So why I want to write something like a distance formula, x square plus y square kind of stuff. So it will come sin x, okay, minus 1 the whole square, okay, plus cos x minus 1 the whole square, a root. So sin square x plus cos square x is 1. Here 1 square is 1. Here also 1 square is 1. So 3 is coming. And at the same time, minus 2 sin x minus 2 cos x will also come. In the numerator, you get sin x. I'll prefer to take minus 1 common. Okay, 1 minus sin x, because then it will be positive kind of stuff. And this also, kind of a distance formula. So where we have seen cos x sin x or cos theta sin theta, it's a parametric form of a circle. Okay, it's a parametric form of a circle. Sin x. Okay. And say if I join this, the endpoints of this will give, say, a 1, comma 1. So the distance, they may not be collinear. So this point P, and say this is Q, and if I drop a perpendicular, this is R. This point is P, this is R, and this is Q. So PQ, if you see, the PQ is nothing but that root of, okay, sin x minus 1 the whole square plus cos x minus 1 the whole square. Okay. And PR is, okay, I prefer to write QR, not PR. That is nothing but 1 minus sin x. Okay. So the function reduces to QR by PR, PQ. Yeah. So the QR by PQ QR by PQ is nothing but minus of this triangle. This small triangle is there. Okay. This small triangle, this is P, this is Q, this is R, this is theta. So it is minus sin theta. Yeah. So once you get this as minus sin theta, maximum value of theta could be how much? And it's a acute angle triangle. So it could be from 0 to 1. And obviously, if I put x is equal to pi by 2, you get, so sin theta varies, maximum will be 1 and minimum will be 0. So the expression will have a range. Okay, the expression, sorry, sin theta lies from here. So expression will have a range from 0 to 1. That's an awesome problem. That's a different way to solve it. We develop our problem solving ability even by solving a problem. It's not that by learning concepts, correct, you come to know everything. It's only by solving problems. So okay, I hope everyone noted. If you have noted down, just say yes. Noted down doesn't mean you try to do on your own, then you get the feel of the method. If you have a doubt, you can raise your doubt. You can just text me. I'll explain again. And guys, I may miss some of your messages. Shall I go ahead? Anyone? Please reply. Shall I move to next problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now I'm going to do the other one. And I have taken from Fiji package. I don't know. root of x plus 3 into x plus 1, x minus 1 divided by x plus 2. Okay, I'm sure you would not have done it. Most of you, some of you obviously. So it is, I write left corner y, okay, or the function fx, whatever I write, is x plus 3 into x minus 1 whole divided by x. Nice problem. Small trick is there. So you need to find the range. So we have learned in quadratic equation that a rational function, the quadratic by quadratic, and then we used to find the range. So we'll square it. So if you square it, you get x plus 3 into x minus 1 divided by x plus 2. So further, x square plus 3x minus x minus 3 divided by x plus, oh sorry, x plus 2 the whole square. So let it be x plus 2 the whole square. Okay. So 3x minus x becomes how much? 2x. So 2x minus 3. So we get x square plus 2x minus 3 whole divided by x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to y square. Now we'll cross multiply. As x is real, discriminant will be greater than or equals to 0. So I'm cross multiplying and writing directly. So try to understand. So no, 2 4 and here 4y, so 2 common. Raju, chai? Okay. So 4y square plus 3. So this is the expression. So as x is real, discriminant should be greater than or equals to 0. So 4 times of 2y square minus the whole square into 4y square plus 3 should be greater. This is the normal method we do it. So, and then we'll get the value of y. I hope you recall. So, but there is a twist in the story. Okay. Minus 4y to the power 4 minus 4y square plus 3y square minus 3 should be greater than that. So 4y to the power 4, this and this get cancelled. And here it's minus y square and minus of minus 4. So it will be minus 3y. Now internet speed is problem. So what I'll do, just a moment, I'll check again. I think someone reported. That's the maximum thing I can do it. You have to adjust. I don't know. It's maybe. So this is greater than. That's the maximum visibility. 3y square minus 4 should be less than 0. I hope you know how to factorize this. What you do, you just draw a real line. The roots will be 2 by root and minus. So positive, this is negative. This is. So now I can't do anything, whatever is happening. Anyone is getting good, the video is good. Can anyone reply? Or anyone is getting hazy? The video is not clear?
No, sir.
You're not able to see the equation?
No, sir. It's very blurry.
Oh, it's an internet issue today.